Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 29th of April and it's a bank holiday weekend, and I'm back in Greenwich because, to be honest, you won't have time to see all the attractions in one day like I said before. So this is my second day in Greenwich, and I'll continue forward with the video. And it seems that there's an exhibition on from the National Maritime Museum. So as you can see, there's lots of kids, people, and thankfully bank holiday is a nice day, and dogs. And behind me is the Queen's house, so that's where we're going now, because last week there was a wedding, and I'll show you around. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe, comment and like down below. Okay, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Greenwich part 2. Here are more attractions you can see in Greenwich, London. The Cutty Sark is a historic British clipper ship known for its remarkable speed and beauty. Here's a brief overview of its history. The Cutty Sark was built in 1869 at Dumbarton, Scotland by the firm of Scott and Linton. It was designed by Hercules Linton and built for John Willis and Sons, a shipping company based in London. The ship's name, Cutty Sark, comes from a character in Robert Burns' poem Tam O'Shanter. The Cutty Sark was primarily used for the tea trade between China and Britain. It made voyages carrying tea from China to London, competing with other clipper ships in the highly lucrative tea races. These races aimed to be the first ship to reach London with the season's new tea crop. Today, the Cutty Sark is one of London's most popular tourist attractions, offering visitors the opportunity to explore the ship. Next, we'll go over to the Queen's House. The Queen's House is a historic royal residence located in Greenwich, London. The Queen's House was commissioned by King James I of England in 1616 as a gift for his wife, Queen Anne of Denmark. The original purpose of the house was to serve as a private retreat and a place for entertaining royal guests. We are now in the Great Hall. The Great Hall of the Queen's House is considered a masterpiece of Jacobean architecture. It is known for its classical proportions, elegant design and impressive scale. The hall showcases the influence of Italian Renaissance architecture and the Palladian style, which Inigo Jones helped introduce to England. In the 19th century, the Queen's House became part of the complex of the Royal Naval Hospital in Greenwich, and the hospital closed in the 1860s. Although the Queen's House was initially intended as a gift for Queen Anne of Denmark, she never had the chance to live there. However, subsequent queens used the Queen's House as a royal residence. The Queen's House houses a remarkable collection of paintings, including several artworks depicting seafaring and maritime themes. Here are some paintings that you can see. The Armada portrait of Elizabeth I. This depicts Queen Elizabeth I standing on the seashore with the English fleet in the background. Another portrait is the Triumph of the Sea, painted by Charles Le Brun. This artwork shows Neptune, the Roman god of the sea, surrounded by marine creatures and ships. Tulip stairs in the Queen's House are one of the most distinctive features of the building. The Tulip Stairs are a grand spiral staircase that connects the ground floor to the first floor of the Queen's House. They were designed by architect Inigo Jones and were completed in 1636. The name Tulip Stairs comes from the decorative ironwork balustrade, which features tulip-shaped motifs. The stairs gained fame for their association with paranormal activity. In 1966, a photograph taken by Reverend Ralph Hardy reportedly captured the image of a ghostly figure on the stairs. This photograph is often cited as one of the most famous paranormal images ever taken. The Queen's House has since become associated with ghost stories and is considered one of the most haunted places in England. Once you step out of the Queen's House, enjoy the view of Greenwich. If you're coming in May, head up the hill and you can see the cherry blossom trees. Hi guys, so this is the cherry blossom tree that you'll find in spring, in the middle of May, not April but May. May time you'll be able to see cherry blossom trees, and there's so many people taking photos, and then this is one of the places where you'll find it, and you can see that some of the petals are raining down, and it's a nice day today, so hopefully middle of May you'll see it bloom fully. So yeah. In recent years, the Royal Borough of Greenwich has undertaken efforts to plant cherry blossom trees in various locations, including parks and public spaces. This initiative aims to enhance the beauty of the area and create a connection with the cultural significance of cherry blossoms. Throughout spring and summer, it is common to see flowers in bloom within the gardens surrounding the Ranger's house and throughout Greenwich Park. While the specific flowers and flowerbed displays may vary depending on the season and horticultural plans, visitors can generally expect a delightful array of colors and fragrances during this time. Head over to Croom's Hill, where I'll show you all the hidden gems that you can find. Here you'll see many Georgian houses dating back to the 18th century. And you'll be away from the hustle and bustle of High Street Greenwich. When you're back in the High Street, explore the Greenwich Vintage Market, where you can find vintage items including clothing, accessories, homeware, furniture, collectibles and antiques. Hidden in between the council flats is a hidden street called Trinity Grove, pedestrianised and lined with cute houses. Go back to the main road and visit St. Alfege's Church. St. Alfege's Church is a hidden gem with a rich history. It's also surrounded by a park so people can relax. The church is named after Alfege, the Archbishop of Canterbury. Over the centuries, the churchyard has been a burial ground for many local residents, including notable figures from Greenwich's history. From here, you can take the 188 or 129 bus to the O2 Arena for half an hour. I'm outside the O2 Arena, and as you can see, there's lots of people and it's a really nice day, but I don't know if you can see at the top there where I'm pointing. There's a black line there. That's people going up to the top of the O2 dome, and you can do that. I'm not sure how much it costs, but if you want to see the view of London, you can go up there. But we're not doing that now. I'm just admiring the environment. There's lots of people. There's street food here behind me, and there's lots of shops, restaurants and cafes inside as well, but I'll show you around before we go to the cable car. Okay, I'll see you soon, bye! The O2 Arena has an interesting history and serves as a multifunctional entertainment venue. It was originally constructed as the Millennium Dome, a major exhibition and event space created to celebrate the turn of the millennium in the year 2000. If you come here during spring and summer, starting from May, you will see street markets and street foods. It seems that this is the queue, guys. It's better to book online. The queue goes from all the way over there, and that's the cable car. Here we are in the cable cars. I've never been to the cable car area before, so I just wanted to see what it's like and review it for you guys. Cable car system provides a unique and scenic mode of transportation across the River Thames in London. It connects the Greenwich Peninsula near the O2 Arena with the Royal Docks area. The cable car opened on June the 28th, 2012, just in time for the Olympics. So this is the view, apparently, and I don't think it's worth it. And behind me is the cable cars, and I don't think it's worth the queue. I thought it was more than this. Like, I thought you'd see the Tower of London or the London Eye, but I don't think it's worth it. So if you want to join the long queue which I showed you, then go for it, but it's better to book online, but you still have to queue up. But yeah, I prefer just enjoying the view from below, to be honest, and I'd rather hang out at the O2 and have lunch, dinner there. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't book online, because I was going to book online, but I'm glad I didn't. So yeah, I'll just hang around in the O2 then. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go home now. So I decided to get ice cream instead, and ice cream here from that ice cream van is £3.50 instead, so I'll probably enjoy this more. Okay, yeah, I think this is the end of my Greenwich video. I hope you like it, and it's better to come to London from May time, because this is when the weather is really nice. Yeah, I'll show you the queue once again. That's the queue. Yeah, it's not worth it. It's £5 for adults and £2.50 for children, and it's only 10 minutes. So yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe, comment and like down below. Okay, bye.